What's up guys? My name is Mair. Today I'm sharing the best vegetarian recipe. As I showed you previously, when you bake stuff, it has more flavor, more taste and more softness to it. So let's get straight into the video. So here we will take the eggplant. So this is eggplant and potato and green chili and onion recipe. So we will make 4 slices of our eggplant. Just do it as I show you guys. First is done. This is the second. Very easy, yummy recipe. Okay, and the last one. Again, we will cut the tail and slice it from the middle, and then again another slice from the middle. So these are our eggplants, right? Take the potatoes, and cut it like a veggie fries. Have you guys ever had the potato veggies? Just like that. Same with this one. They should not be too thick or they should not be too thin. Very easy. Anyone can make it. So this is one of those days when we are craving for a vegetarian meal. So as you guys saw, potatoes are done. Right, we will take the jalapeno, slice it, take the bottom off through the middle, and that's it. These are jalapenos, they are not super spicy. This is just for the flavor for this whole vegetarian meal. Okay, as you guys saw, this is all done. Okay, let me slice the onion in there as well. So the cutting part ends with the onion. Okay, what kind of onions you guys like? Do you like the red onion, yellow onion, or white onion? A lot of chefs, right, around the world, they say red onion is the best one. So use the red onion in this recipe. Okay, all done. Okay, so as you guys saw, all these vegetables are done. We are done with the cutting part. Again, my favorite part. We will take the porridge, just like this, and spread our eggplant just like this, roughly. We will take our potato veggie fries, put it right there. We'll take some onions. So it's 3 eggplants, 3 potatoes, 1 red onion, 2 jalapenos, and the raw veg. Oh, have you guys heard the sound? I mean, this is my oven which is ready. It's screaming, let's go. Let's make this amazing dish. You guys can put everything this in a pot, in a baking pot. You can still do that, but I prefer the foil. So the dry seasoning. First of all, I'm using the mustard seeds. It's gonna give the main flavor to our dish. Just like that. It's all done. We'll take some garlic powder, sprinkle roughly right on top. Take some black pepper, sprinkle some black pepper roughly right on top. Take some salt, sprinkle it roughly right on top. Take olive oil, extra virgin or heavy, it doesn't matter. Just sprinkle some olive oil right on your veggies. Trust me, it's gonna be more better than boiling up some vegetables. Now, we will take another piece of foil and we just cover it right from the top. Again, we'll fold the side. You guys see, I'm folding on all the sides so the corners get locked up. That's all. It's all locked up. We'll take additional foil and we'll put it right there, and we will cover it from this side as well. So in this recipe, we don't need to make holes in our foil. The steam from the vegetables, they're gonna help this whole recipe get cooked. So kind of these are home baked vegetables with this recipe. So guys, now you will put this vegetable, the foil tray, in an oven at 400 degrees for at least 25 to 30 minutes. I'll get back to you after 30 minutes. So guys, this is approximately about after 40 minutes. For some reason, I forgot to turn on my mic and I made the video for 5 minutes just by not having audio in the video. So anyway, I'm doing this voiceover just to tell you guys. So this is the reveal, guys. Check it. It's super yummy just by looks. It's steamingly hot. The mustard seeds, the potatoes, the jalapenos, the eggplant. It's super deliciously done. And I have some nachos with that. Here I was just checking the potato if it's soft enough, and I kind of burned my finger, but then I decided to use the fork, right? So here's the eggplant. As you guys can see, the eggplant looks juicy. I just cut it with the fork and knife. And here are the onions, just for you guys to take a look. The potatoes, veggie fries potatoes. Very deliciously done, guys. Very deliciously. Check this one. Oh yeah, perfectly done. Okay, here I'm adding some chopped up cilantro right on top, which gives nice fresh veggie freshness look to it. You guys should do that as well. Okay, here are the corn tortilla chips. This is the white corn tortilla chips, and I'm gonna try to make a good bite out of it. So first I'm gonna add the potato, right? And then I was here figuring out how should I add the eggplant in there. So I thought just to cut a small bite without the skin, or you can have it with the skin. It's all your call. So add the eggplant right on top, a piece of onion. We are making a premium bite right here, so this is a premium bite. Dipping it with some ranch ready-made dressing, and here it is, the fresh yummy bite. So this premium bite has the jalapeno, the potato, the eggplant, and the onion, all our vegetables with the seasoning on top, fully baked, and we will dip it right there in our ranch dressing, and boom, there it is. Yummy, delicious. You will just go with it, you know. Look at me right here. I'm on another bite. I'm on another bite. So it's like the best recipe, I would say, right here. I will strongly suggest try every single bite with this ranch dressing. You can get it ready made or you can make your own ranch dressing. I'll share homemade ranch dressing very soon on the channel. So I'm adding some cilantro. Oh wow. And boom. So this bite, I just want to try the vegetables with the fork so I can have the genuine opinion. So I'm collecting all the vegetables, potato, jalapeno. I'm gonna just try every single vegetable in just one bite. And here it is. Delicious. You can skip the tortilla chips and you can just have these vegetables and call it a meal. 100%. So guys, I lost my audio for some reason, but this is the whole recipe. This is the perfect recipe. You need to try this. I mean, if you're looking for a healthy dinner, a vegetable dinner, this is your way to go. Eggplant is the best recipe. Eggplant, potato, jalapenos, and onions with some mustard seed, black pepper, and some salt. Wonderful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sorry about the audio, but we got this recipe. Do try this recipe. It's very easy to make and enjoyable recipe. It's gonna help you lose weight. It's gonna help you get into shape, and it's gonna help you enjoy the flavors of vegetables. Do try this recipe. Very easy recipe. 7-ingredient recipe. The whole recipe is based on 7 ingredients, which I told you. Let's count it out again. Eggplant, potato, onions, jalapenos, garlic powder, mustard seeds, salt, black pepper. It's 8 actually. Anyway, you can use just the 7 ingredients. You can skip the black peppers. I mean, there is already jalapeno in there. It gives a little bit peppery touch to it. But anyway guys, do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you with another one very soon, maybe tomorrow. How about that? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and bye bye for now.